Hey everyone, and welcome back to AI Geek. I'm Noah, your host.
And I'm Lila Mitchell. We are so pumped for today's episode because we're diving into something that will absolutely revolutionize how you build your replicant chatbots, the Media Cloud.
It's going to be a game changer, folks. Imagine your chatbot not just talking, but showing custom images, playing unique sound effects, even rolling video clips. And the heart of all this magic is the Cloud tab. If you're following along, or if you could see our screen right now, you'd see us navigating to My Creations and clicking on that glorious Cloud tab. This is your central command for all user-uploaded media.
Okay, Noah, that sounds amazing. A central hub for everything, but how do we actually get our cool stuff, like images, into this cloud? Is it complicated?
Not at all, Lila. It's incredibly user-friendly. You'd simply click on the Images tab within the cloud, and then hit that Upload button. And here's a super neat trick when you're uploading. You can type in a folder name right there. If the folder doesn't exist, poof! Replikant Chat creates it for you. If it does exist, your images just slide right into that existing folder. Talk about organized.
Oh, I love that. And I'm guessing it's the same smooth process for audio files like custom sound effects or background music.
You guessed it. Switch over to the Audio tab and it's the same deal. Upload your audio files. The big takeaway here, folks, is organization. Naming your folders clearly, like product images or welcome music, and giving your files descriptive names will make your life so much easier later. Trust us on this one.
Okay, that makes total sense. Good names in, good results out. Now, Noah, you mentioned something really important in the documentation. Replikant Chat grants access at the folder level, not to individual files. Why is that distinction so key?
That's a fantastic point, Lila, and it's fundamental to how this works. Because access is at the folder level, your chatbot becomes aware of all the file names within the folders it's been given permission to use. So, imagine you have a folder called Company Logos and inside, a file named mainlogoblue.png. If your chatbot has access to the Company Logos folder and your user asks to see the blue logo, the chatbot can intelligently find and display mainlogoblue.png. How cool is that?
That is cool. It's like giving your chatbot a little map to find the treasure. So we've uploaded our media, we've organized it into neat folders. What's the next step to actually empower our chatbot to use these files?
This is where the Skills tab comes into play. You'll head into your chatbot's editor, click on Skills, and you'll toggle on Enable Image Files Display for your pictures and Enable Audio Files Playback for your sounds. It's literally a switch.
Simple switches, I like it. And after we flip those on, there's an Add button, right? Is that where we tell the chatbot which specific folders it's allowed to peek into?
You're exactly right, Lila. Click that Add button, and you'll select the specific folders from your cloud that you want this particular chatbot to have access to for that skill. So, your Product Images folder gets linked to the Image Display skill, and your Welcome Music folder to the Audio Playback skill.
Okay, this is all making perfect sense. Upload to cloud, organize into folders, enable the skills, grant folder access. Now for the part I'm really excited about, telling the chatbot when and how to actually use these amazing custom files. This is where activities come in, isn't it?
It absolutely is. The Activities tab is where the magic truly happens. This is where you write plain English instructions to control the media. You can get super specific, like when the user says, "Show me the new spaceship toy," display the file spaceship5.jpg on display 1. Or you can be more contextual. During the product showcase, show relevant images from the New Gadgets folder on display 2. The chatbot then listens for keywords that match file names in that folder. It's so smart. You can even tell it to show an image full screen for a few seconds before it settles into a display slot.
And for audio, it's just as versatile, I bet. Imagine creating a quiz chatbot. You could upload correctanswer.mp3 and wronganswer buzz.mp3. Then in activities, you'd write, when the user answers the quiz question correctly, play the proper sound. Or if they get it wrong, play the wrong sound. That would make quizzes so much more engaging.
Lila, that's a brilliant example. Let's take that quiz idea further. Imagine a history quiz. We upload images of famous landmarks to a folder called Landmarks Quiz. Then, in Skills, we give our chatbot access to that Landmarks Quiz folder. And in Activities, we could write, when asking a question about any topic, use the most convenient image on display 1. And if the user's answer is correct, play fanfareshort.mp3. The level of interactivity is just incredible.
Wow. So just to recap for everyone listening, because this is so powerful. First, you upload and organize your media into clearly named folders in the Cloud tab. Then, make sure to enable the relevant skills, image display, or audio playback in your Chatbots editor and grant access to those specific folders. And finally, define the behavior in the Activities tab, writing simple instructions to tell your chatbot when and how to use your custom media. Did I get that right, Noah?
You absolutely nailed it, Lila. Organize, enable, and define. Those are the 3 golden steps to unlocking a universe of creativity with custom media and Replikant Chat. It really lets you tailor the experience and make your chatbot uniquely yours. So get in there, start uploading, and let your chatbot's personality shine.
Thanks for tuning in to AI Geek, everyone. We can't wait to see and hear what you create.